Good morning, children. We will see today the other features of the living things. Living things move on their own. Animals move from one place to another place in search of food or escape from their enemies. Mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and insects have legs. Birds and some insects have wings to fly. Fish have fins to swim in the water. Here you can see the movement of animals. Here some examples are given: deer, camel, tiger, snake, chameleon, dog, and the crocodile. Mammals have big legs. They move fast. And the reptiles have the short legs. They crawl on the ground like snake and crocodile. Birds have legs to move on the ground. They have wings to fly in the water. They have wings to fly in the air. Water birds swim with their legs in the water. Ostrich, penguin, and some other birds, they do not fly at all. Plants do not move from one place to another place, but eats parts such as branches, leaves, and flowers and fruits. They only move. We will see the quick review. Name three mammals: human, tiger, and camel. Name one animal without legs: snake, fish. Name a bird that swim in water: penguin. Name the animals that hop on the ground: frog and chameleon. Name two insects you see flying in the air: butterflies and mosquitoes. Living things feel and react. Most animals have eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. These parts are known as sense organs. Through this sense organ, they sense the world. Eyes help the animals to see. Ears help the animals to hear. Nose help the animals to smell. The tongue is helping for the taste, and the skin is helping for the feel. Here you can see the diagram. Skin, touch, pressure, and temperature. Through skin we can feel all this. Through eye we can see. Through ear we can listen. Through nose we can smell, and through tongue we can taste. Plants do not have sense organ, but they feel. The leaves of the touch-me-not plant collapse when they are touched. Here you can see the example. The next picture: living things reproduce. Reproduction means to give rise to their own kind. Mammals give birth to their young ones. Birds, reptiles, amphibians, and insects lay eggs. The young ones hatch out of the eggs. A woman and her baby. A mother dog and its puppy. A chick hatching out of the egg. A bird and its chicks. This is the reproduction of animals. Most plants produce seeds which grow into new plants. Some plants such as rose grow from stems. Some plants like bougainvillea grows from leaves. Seeds grow into a new plant. Rose grows from the stem, and this one grows from the leaf. This is the reproduction in plants. In quick review, we will see name 4 animals that give birth to their young one: human, dog, lion, tiger, etc. Name 10 animals that lay eggs: bird, snake, hen. Like that, you can write some examples. Name our sense organ. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin are the sense organs. Now we will see the difference between living and non-living things. Living things need food. Non-living things do not need food. Living things breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Living things move from one place to another place. Non-living things do not move from one place to another place. Living things grow old and die. Non-living things do not grow old and die. Living things have sense organs, but non-living things do not have sense organs. Living things reproduce, but non-living things do not reproduce. The next difference between the animals and the plants. Animals move from place to place on their own, but plants do not move from place to place. Animals do not make their food, but plants make their own food. Some animals give birth to their young ones, or other lays eggs, but plants grow from seed, leaves, and some are from the stems. Animals breathe through nose or gills. Plants breathe through stomata. Animals have sense organ. Plants do not have sense organ. Children, the underlying things you have to learn. Thank you.